Alrighty. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wagwan now. Now. Everybody good? Yes, this morning we are in Pat Batam Kitchen this morning. Yeah? And yes, man, we are in the lab of Pat Batam Kitchen and we're gonna prepare for you this morning some
Pat Batam.
cornmeal porridge with green plantain. Yeah? Coconut milk and the works. Yeah? So it's always good to have you on board Pat Bottom Kitchen. Have a look and tell us what you think. Yes, as we said, green plantain and cornmeal porridge. Okay, so here we go. We have our green plantain sliced and ready to go. Yes, over here we have coconut, native coconut. Then over here we have our cornmeal. You see the calabash there? We can't go without the calabash sometimes. Alright, so we have calabash and we have nutmeg, and we have nutmeg with the maize on top. Alright. So this is different and I want you guys to notice what's going on in Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay? So what we do, we're gonna put everything in the blender. All of it here gonna go in the blender. Okay. Here we go. We have our coconut first. Alright? What you have next? You have your plantain. When you notice, guys, plantain, that's two regular green plantains inside. Okay? You're going to throw your cornmeal. About a cup. Alright? We're going to add water. About a cup and a half of water. Now you're going to put it inside your blender. Okay? Throw it all over the cornmeal. Throw it in everything. And here you go. Naturally 2 cups of water. Okay? Nutmeg, drop it inside. Drop them inside, okay? You get your cover, put it on. Yeah. And you're gonna start blending. So you start from the smallest speed. When saying so, guys, we're gonna get this all blend out. It's all ready, guys. Okay. I want to see that. Okay. Cornmeal, plantain, nutmeg, and coconut. Okay, all blended out. Yeah, like that. Come all the way down. Blend it out, clean, smooth. Okay. So the next move we're going to do is, let me get your stove going. You're going to fire up the light and you're going to fire up your stove. Alright? So here we go. This is what's going to happen here. You're going to get your blend and you prepare it. Yeah? Your spoon. You're going to pour it in your pot. Pour it in your pot. You may wonder, oh, it's so thick. Yes, it's thick. Yeah, and it's all that. But here at Pat Bottom Kitchen, where we go to the farm and we get our milk. We get our cow's milk. Okay? So right in this now, as soon as it boils, we add some water to it, about a cup more water, all depends on how much the cornmeal, builds up. Okay? Then we're going to put our milk, which is our cow's milk. Alright? And we're going to add our water to our mixture. It's thick and nice now, so we're going to add our water to our mixture, right? Okay, to get the consistency because it's bubbling up here. At this time, at this juncture, you grab your whisk. Okay? And you put your whisk to work. Alright? You grab your whisk. And you incorporate everything together. And here we have our cow's milk.
Pat Batam.
So do. Let me give you a cup of your cow's milk. This is a big cup in it. Alright. Use a cup of your cow's milk. That's a cow's milk, I mean cow's milk. Natural cow milk. Yeah, natural cow milk you actually use, okay? So have a look, see that? Cow milk. Okay? So our porridge is bubbling there. Now we're gonna add our milk to that. Okay? doing that. And remember, your whisk is very important. Your whisk is very, 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 very important to this type of this type of cooking. Yeah? You gotta have a whisk to maintain the texture that you're looking for in your cornmeal porridge, okay? You're gonna need that. You're gonna need that. You know, incorporate the ingredients together. Yeah. You don't want to catch, you don't want to get burned. You turn your fire down, turn your flames down. Yeah, put your flames down. Yeah. So you have it. We're using cinnamon leaf. Okay, all ready to go. You drop your cinnamon leaf. 3 cinnamon leaf. You see them? Drop 3 cinnamon leaf and you're good to go. You make sure you put them down at the bottom. Okay, that flavor can burst from the heat. The heat will just, you know, enhance that flavor, you think. Okay, a little bit more adjustment on the fire. Probably you want a little bit more. There you go. Alrighty, this is the part now where we put the maize. The maize of the nutmeg. Here we go. That's the maize, yeah. Now, this is we only need one maize. Only one maize you need for a pot of porridge like this. So this is very flavorful. It's very strong. Okay. So you put one maize inside. The final spice gonna go in the pot. Okay. This is your maize. Drop your maize inside. Okay. In the next 2 or 3 minutes, your porridge is ready. I want to say. Yes. I want to tell you, maize is a great thing for curry. Yeah, you're making your curry, Jamaican curry, original Jamaican curry. If you don't have nutmeg maize, let me tell you what I'm going to say. You know what happened. Talk to them. Okay. Side P, you know it go. The maize we say. Alright. Make your curry. Yes. Drop the maize inside. Caramelize your maize with your ingredients. Alright, let me tell you. Now, I ain't got no more to say to you. One of these days we're going to show you how we do that part. Okay? Once your porridge is ready, here we go. Yes, it's ready. And if you take out the whisk now. Yeah. Porridge is ready. And here we go. Alright? Yeah, that's your cornmeal porridge with green plantain. Okay? Okay, here we go. Pot bottom kitchen. Now your porridge is ready. And look at that texture. Look at it. Look at this. That's your leaf coming down there. The cinnamon leaf, right? Alright, and this loads of ingredients, right? Yeah. What we do now with this in pot bottom kitchen, we use flaxseed, okay, and enhance the nutrition part about it. We just put some flaxseed and, you know, whatever nuts you have you drop on top, and, you know, you put your, some people use sugar. I don't use sugar in pot bottom kitchen. We use molasses. Yeah, remember that we use molasses in pot bottom kitchen, but doesn't matter. If you want sugar, it's up to you. Yeah, all depends on your taste buds. All right, so let's hear from you in pot bottom kitchen. If you want to feel it, you got to touch it, right? So you touch that button and subscribe, and you're going to share with your friends and family and let them know what's happening. All right, touch that bell and we'll ride your doorstep in a minute. All right, so let's hear it from the pot bottom folks over there. And as we say, cornmeal porridge with green plantain and coconut milk. All right, that's how we do it. All right, we'll see you later. And that's the meal for the morning. So let's talk about it later. Okay, Jason, now send your comments and let's see what's happening.